This video primarily introduces the offset operation in CoProcess software. Offset. Select the vectors to be offset. Using either iterative or parameter-based methods, perform a single or continuous offset of the selected vectors along a specified direction and distance to generate new vectors. Click Vector greater than offset to activate the offset function. 2. The offset parameter panel appears on the right side of the software. In the viewport, select the vector as to offset single selection only. The parameter panel defaults to iterative mode and single offset. Single offset applies one offset to the currently selected vector S. After offset, reselect the vector S for further offsets. Selecting continuous offset applies multiple consecutive offsets to the currently selected vector S. Move the mouse to the desired position, click again to confirm, or select parameters in the panel. Enter the direction, distance, and number of offsets before clicking confirm to generate the offset vector at the specified location.